Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. Today we're going to show you this 2020 Chaparral bunkhouse. My name is Dib and you can call me at any time. Chaparral is known for its asdol, which is a really cool invention in a way. They glue it, like waterproof glue, and it's like a fiberglass inside. It's pretty cool for your structure. You got a power awning right here, outside speakers. Those are waterproof. They light up at night, which is pretty cool. Nice basement right here, all finished. I like this. You can see through the whole thing. And the other side probably got the auto level. Let's go inside and show you this while we walk in. Look at them stairs. Look at that. Very sturdy, very strong. Come on in, folks. Very welcoming coach, really unique floor plan with a love seat here, 2 Thomas Paine heated massage seats, pretty good, and a dinette. I like these chairs, and instead of the booth, this way big guy, little guy can fit in there. As we walk in here, back here, we're gonna go into this room actually with a bed, closet. Back here you're gonna have a love seat that turns into a bed and a bed on top. And the lovely thing about this is a full bath. So we got 2 bathrooms here with an exit. There's a door back here that comes in handy. This way people are not running through the whole coach. As we come out here to look at the kitchen, lots of counter space, folks. I like this. Hard solid tops. Oven, convection oven also. It's pretty neat when you get used to this convection oven. It cooks evenly. 4-door fridge, as you can see. I like this because you can actually see what's going on in the freezer. Pretty deep compartments here. Very nice. Then you got your big huge TV and a fireplace. Pretty good stuff here when you want to heat up your coach. As we go up to the bedroom, we got our second bathroom here with a enclosed shower, sit down right there, pretty cool to have. And this bedroom up here is pretty unique. You get a whole slide out right there. The whole slide, that is a closet, folks. You got USB ports, more storage on top, another little closet up there. Nice bed, nice shelving here. Very, very nice stuff. Let's go outside and show you more. So as you can see, our slide, this is our kitchen slide. Pretty nice with a nice window. And most bunkhouse, they come with a outside kitchen. Let's see if the camera can catch this for us. It's pretty snug. Big fridge, sink, outlets, power outlets, you got it. You got it all in here. Pretty nice to cook outside when it's in a warm days. As we pan out here, that's the door to the bathroom, folks. Got its own entrance, on stairs, pretty cool. Nice bumper with a tow. It's not a tow hitch. This is just for a bike rack, something really light. I like this bumper, keeps your coach safe, just in case, Ladder up here, you can go up there, check on the roof. That's what it's there for. As we come around, the 2 slides here. This is your bunkhouse slide, and this is your dinette. And your seats up here, the power ones, right here in this slide. Over here, this is the other side of your basement. You got your outside shower, auto level right here, pretty cool. Aluminum frame, see that? All just nice. I like this finish right here, it's pretty cool. Again, Chaparral is known. There is more information available. Please give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.